They say that Biafra Liberation Army have by more than 10 Nigeria army and a bag who come to attack their barrack this morning. No be smart, you know, as that one they happen. That say that Nigeria army are the people guarding the terrorists who are terrorizing the place where they call Plateau. No be smart, you know, as that one they happen. They say that the bandits where they call for any herdsmen. They say they don't enter one community for inside Enugu State, go buy a lot of people for inside that place as we dey talk this morning. Yeah, my wonderful people, don't go find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balaba Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. May you try to share this video as many as you can, because a lot of things are happening now which is say me and you no. This some information wey we dey bring you here, you know, fit see am for other platform, you know, fit see am for the BBC or for channel television, for other places where you expect may you see all those information, because they restricted them for showing you so many things where they happen. Nigeria is currently burning as we dey talk right now, but most of us no know wetin dey go on, because you dey wake up every morning, they go your business, no mean say things well. A lot of things are going on where you don't know. But however, we go show you some things where they happen. We'll look into it as we dey talk right now. They say that as we dey talk, this thing dey happen. One Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside this morning. He don't come to say that the way we say Nigeria army take come their camp, welcome by them. Say they don't buy more than 10 of them this morning. He say many fall and many run with injury. Let's show you the video when they talk this thing, and we'll come back and continue.
Morning is a very wonderful morning. I want you to hear the sound, because no hiding place for the wicked anyway. The wicked can never go unpunished. Never. Not in this life. You can hear the sound. Because no one mama sleep, no go see sleep. That have come that they may die. Today is our fall. There's no two ways about that. Death is what they will have. They have already fallen, and what I didn't start this record as the war began. You understand? Yes. I delayed the record so that when they start dying, I will start. As they are falling plenty, it's my pleasure to announce they are dead. Okay? It is my pleasure to announce their death, and they will keep dying. They will keep dying till the day Biafra is set free or being restored. They will keep dying. Death will remain their portion. It doesn't really matter how many they are. They are only ranting with their guns and bullets. What is killing them, they do not even see. What is killing them, they don't know. What they have been seeing is their men falling down and blood flowing. Because the blood must flow on the ground of the rising sun. And that must be the blood of the innocents, who then killed many years ago, have returned back to kill and also share the blood of the enemy. Do you understand? The blood of innocent Biafra, they share, they kill many years ago, and even still now, which they are still killing, have returned back to also share their blood. that same land of Biafra, the same land that their blood will flow. They cannot escape it. They cannot escape it. Because though Anne join with Anne, the wicked, Nigeria can never go unpunished. So, stay tuned. Why we are dealing with this enemy, this intruder, who think that they can kill us and take our land. We are here to tell them that in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere.
Yeah, welcome back, my wonderful people. This now the information we will get this morning. I would still say move bring them come share una more than know wetin dey go on, because a lot of things they happen as we dey talk. We're gonna go use wetin dey happen for inside the northern side. No, they want make that kind of thing they balling for our own side. You understand? So that they go say yes, but you don't see them. They go get the opportunity. They carry their army territory enter inside southeast. That's why they find all the opportunity where they go take do am, and don't see am as they take talk am. So many of them for this money. But however, let me go and play you this video for you to watch and hear what this our brother talk. He say na him be this man why I want show you right now. We talk something concerning Plateau. Wetin talk we go shout. You say na the military. Now then they guide all those terrorists where they come by them, and the places where they attack for inside that place. Now the place where the Christians dominate. No be small thing. No, see wetin dey happen. That tell that this government, this APC government, they are off to heavy something, but Nigeria are still sleeping. The day when I go wake up, I wonder how it will be for now. However, let's listen to this our brother before we will come back and continue.
I'm Kancha Mangu local government. I'm here to report the situation in Mangu local government to the whole world to understand what is happening in Mangu at this particular point in time. The military are the ones sending our people away to allow the militia to burn their houses. At this particular point in time, they have sent every Christian away from a new market, and thereby leaving the Muslims to go and burn their houses. They set the curfew. The curfew is restricted to only people within Mangu, within the Christian domain. But in the Muslim domain, they are free to move and do whatever they wanted to do. And not only that, the military has killed 3 of our young men, in which I know one is before my own church. They killed one yesterday. And I reported to the security. He said that it was a fake soldiers. At first he said I was lying, until I proved to him beyond reasonable doubt. Then finally he said it was a fake soldier. I said no, it's not a fake soldier. It's a real soldier who killed him. I said no, it's a soldier that killed him. Finally they made signal to the soldier and he disappeared from the scene. This thing go on and on. Now that I'm speaking to you, all of them are switched off their phone, and they allow the place to be burned down and raised by the people. And this is what is going on even now that I'm speaking to you. There are people around in Gindri Junction, down from this side to Lagiri side, down there. Their houses are now at place because the soldiers protected them and they allowed them to burn people's houses. They are not doing anything about it. So we in Mangu local government, as far as Christians are concerned, we don't want the military in Mangu local government. They should pack at their load and go. We don't want them. We don't need them and we don't want them, because it's a plan. They have been bought. They have been paid with the price to carry out their duty, what they are doing. So that reason I'm saying, and I'm calling the whole world to understand that this thing should stop and people should come to our rescue to save us. If not, that is an evil plan for us to destroy Mangu local government, because the governor is from here and we are not going to allow it. We are going to fight with less of the problem until they kill us all. The military should keep on killing us. We accept they should kill us, but we are not going to stop. We are going to penetrate. I will say personally, I organize the whole Christian in Mangu government. We are going to fight. We are not going to stop. And that is what I said. If this does not stop, we are going to call a meeting for pastors, and we are going to make an arrangement for that, because that is enough is enough. We have tried all to make a peaceful living. We have cried and make cry, but the government is not listening. If they switch on their phone, where they should take our cry to. That's my plea. Thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Shebuna don't hear them. He don't tell Nigeria government say they withdraw their military, because the military, remember say last time they go bomb one side. Now so they don't talk say they do mistake, go bomb the side. My people, I don't know what they go on. Islamization of the Zoological Republic is real. If you like, believe it, or you don't believe it, share this video for more updates as they heard. My people, they say that the Fulani herdsmen enter the place where they for inside Enugu State, go carry 2 female workers, Igbo women, go carry 2 of them this morning, and they never see them as we they talk right now. This one are Koro people where they around the facility confirm that they are Funanis, and their language and everything where they talk now Funani. These people will come carry our people this morning. I beg, share this video so that it will get to the ESN commanders, it will get to all the whole people who are in charge of the true freedom liberation in Biafra land, to know what is going on, so that they go do something immediately. Share it so that Biafra Liberation Army, they go also see them. Share it so that the ESN, all of them, they go also see them, so that may they go save our people. We not gonna allow Fulani to take over our land, God forbid. So share the video as it they hurt. My people, no be smart, we will quickly see you for the next update.